Welcome to my channel Swiss Easy Solutions. Please share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Please follow my videos like order. In this video, I am going to explain averages. Average is one of the important topic in quantitative aptitude. It will useful in to solve the questions based on data interpretation. Let us discuss what is average. Average is nothing but sum of all the observations by total number of observations. From this formula, we had to find sum of all the observations. Sum of all observations equal to average into total number of observations. Let us take an example. A, B, C, D are 4 persons and their weights are 40 kgs, 20 kgs, 80 kgs and 60 kgs. What is the average weight of these 4 peoples? We know the formula. Average equal to sum of all the observations 40 plus 20 plus 80 plus 60 divided by how many observations are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 observations. So divided by 4 that equal to 200 divided by 4 equal to 50. The average of 4 peoples is 50 kgs. If suppose here fifth person is added to here. E. His weight is 60 kgs. What is the average of 5 peoples? This is the average of 4 peoples. 5 people's average equal to. See here friends, here no need to do again calculations. Why? Because the average of 4 peoples already we know. This is 50. The fifth person weight is 10 more than the average of 4 peoples. So that n is distributed among 5 peoples, then we will get the 5 people's average is equal to 50 plus what is the difference here? 10. How we had to 10 is distributed among how many peoples? 5 peoples. That equal to 52 is the answer. No need to calculate again. See here, if we calculate this also 40 plus, we know these 4 people sum 200 plus 260. 40 plus 20 plus 80 plus 60 plus 60 divided by 5 that equal to 260 divided by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. So 52 is the average of 5 peoples. So here also we get same thing. So that's why no need to calculate again all these things. How much extra? 10 extra. So 10 is distributed among 5 peoples and added to the previous average. In the same way, let us take his weight is 40 kgs. At the time the average of 5 peoples is 5 people's average equal to, see here we know 4 people's average that is 50. The fifth person weight is 10 less than the average. So that 10 is distributed among 5 peoples and that is subtracted from the 50. See here 50 minus how much difference between the 4 people's average and the fifth person weight is 10. This 10 is distributed among 5, then we get 48. The average of 5 people's is 48 kgs. Let us check this one. How much total? 200 plus 40, 240 divided by 5 people's. 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40. So here we get the answer. 48 is the average of 5 peoples when each weight is 40 kgs. So friends, no need to calculate again. If we know the 4 persons average, if the fifth person is added to them, we have to find the 5 people's average. by using these formulas here. Suppose if each person, here there are four people's average is 50. Already we are calculated. So here each person's weight is increases 10 kgs. A will become 50 kilos, B will become 30, C will become 90, D will become 70 kgs. What is the average, new average of A, B, C, D? So here each person weight is increased by 10 kgs. So average also increased by 10 kgs. So 50 plus 10 equal to 60 is the answer. So here each person weight is increases, then average also increased by 10 kgs. No need to again calculate for this 50 plus 30 plus 90 plus 7. Again also we get the same answer. Let us discuss average of consecutive numbers. For consecutive numbers, middle number is the average of consecutive numbers. Let us take an example. X, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 and so on are the consecutive numbers. X equal to 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5 and so on are the examples for consecutive numbers. Consecutive even numbers is x, x plus 2, x plus 4 and so on. Here where x is even 2, 4, 6 and so on are the example for the consecutive even numbers. For odd numbers x, x plus 2, x plus 4. Here x is odd. Here also x is even. Let us take x equal to 1, 1, 3, 5 and so on are the example for consecutive odd numbers. Let us take an example. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the 5 consecutive even numbers. What is the average of these consecutive numbers? See here, middle number, what is the middle number? 6 is the middle number. Always for the consecutive numbers, the average is middle number. 6 is the average. Let us check here. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 20 plus 30. How many numbers? 5. It equals 6. So here also we get 6. For each and every consecutive numbers, middle number is the average. Here even numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there. Let us take odd number of numbers 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. These 4 are the consecutive even numbers. What is the average? See here, only 4 numbers. There is no middle number here. At the time, we have here 2 numbers. We have the middle number is there. So, 5 is the average of these 4 numbers. Let us check. 2, 4, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 8, 20. 20 divided by 4 equal to 5. So, 5 is the answer. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the 4 consecutive numbers. What is the average? Here there is no middle number. At the time 3.5 is the average of these 4 numbers. This is the introduction about averages. The next video we will discuss about questions, how to solve the questions and all. Thank you friends.